biggest cricket stadium has been inaugurated in which city of India recently? तो हो जाएगा अहमदाबाद. The President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind, inaugurated the newly renovated Sardar Patel Stadium at Motera in Ahmedabad, which is now the largest cricket stadium in the world. The largest cricket stadium in India is Sardar Patel Stadium at Motera in Ahmedabad. The smallest cricket stadium in India is Firoz Shah Kotla Ground in Delhi, is the smallest international cricket ground as per size. Ahmedabad in news. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurates the world's largest cricket stadium at Motera in Ahmedabad, renamed as Narendra Modi Stadium. Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the new four-lane Taltej Sellaj Charda railway overbridge in Ahmedabad. Which country has the largest trading partner of India in the year 2020? China. China has regained its position as the top trading partner of India in 2020, which has held by United States since 2018 to 19. The two-ways trade between India and China stood at $77.7 billion in 2020, despite of the conflict along the LAC line of actual control and the rising anti-China sentiment. China in news. China surpasses US to become the India's top trade partner in 2020. China overtakes the US as the largest trading partner of European Union. China surpasses the United States as the largest recipient of FDI. China overtakes the Germany as the largest current account surplus country, IFO report. India-Vietnamese Navy conduct the passage exercise PASEX 2020 in the South China Sea. About China, capital is Beijing, currency is renminbi, and president is Xi Jinping. The Kushinagar Airport in India has received the Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA license to operate the international airport. The airport is based on in which state? In Uttar Pradesh. Kushinagar Airport in Uttar Pradesh gets the international airport license from the DGCA. Uttar Pradesh government announced the unique 16-digit Unicode to identify the land holdings. Ram Temple Tablu of Uttar Pradesh on Republic Day wins first prize. Uttar Pradesh government launches Udyam Sarthi app for youth on the 71st foundation day of the state. About Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow, executive branch. Governor is Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. About Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA is Sector Civil Aviation Headquarter New Delhi, parent agency Ministry of Civil Aviation. कौन है? हरदीप सिंह पुरी. मिनिस्टर रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज सुरेश प्रभु. इसका मिनिस्टर जो है वो सुरेश प्रभु हैं. और ज्यूरिडिक्शन इंडिया सब्सिडरी एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. द न्यूली इंस्टीट्यूटेड इंटरनेशनल एंटी करप्शन कैंपेन अवार्ड हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय विच कंट्री? तो ये हो जाएगा यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफिशियली रिज्वाइन द पेरिस क्लाइमेट एग्रीमेंट. यूनाइटेड स्टेट रसिया extend the new START arms reduction treaty for 5 years. Reliance source world's first carbon neutral oil from United States. China surpasses the United States as the largest recipient of FDI. United States capital Washington DC, President Joe Biden and population 32.82 crores. The ICGAC 453 is 7th in the series of 80 interceptor boat which was commissioned by India Coast Guard recently in Chennai. The ship has been manufactured by which company? Larsen and Toubro Limited. Lawson and Turbo CEO S.N. Subramaniam, founded 7 February 1938, Mumbai, headquarter Mumbai. Founders Henning Locke Larson or Soren Christian Torbo. The National Urban Digital Mission (NUDM) has been launched by the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs in partnership with which Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Union Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardip Singh Puri and Minister of Electronic and IT Ravi Shankar Prasad launched the National Urban Digital Mission (NUDM) at a virtual event on February 23, 232,021 to create a digital. The mission has three pillars: people, process, and platform, and it means 3P. The mission aims to put in place a citizen centric and ecosystem driven approach to urban governance and service delivery in city by 2022 and across all cities and towns by 2024. The NUDM has been launched jointly by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs along with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The 2021 International Commission of Large Dam ICOLD Symposium has been organized in New Delhi on the theme Sustainable Development of Dam and River Basin, where is the headquarters of ICOLD based, Paris, France. The Union Minister of Jal Shakti, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, inaugurated the International Commission on Large Dam ICOLD Symposium on 24 February 2021 in New Delhi. The theme of the symposium is Sustainable Development of Dam and River Basins. Which institution has recently sanctioned $304 million loan for Assam Intra-State Transmission System enhance the project? ASEAN Infrastructure Investment Bank. Headquarters of ASEAN Infrastructure Investment Bank is in Beijing, China. Membership 103 member. Region served Asia and Oceania. Main organ is Board of Governor, Board of Directorate. Purpose crediting abbreviation AIIB. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Caste? Vijay Sampla. Sri Vijay Sampla assumed the charge as the new chairman of National Commission for the Scheduled Castes on 24 February 2021. NCSC is an Indian constitutional body under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment that works for the socio-economic development of the scheduled caste and to prevent the atrocities against them. National Commission of Scheduled Caste NCSC formed in 19 February 2004. Headquarters New Delhi. Chairman Vijay Sampla. Minister responsible Thawar Chand Gehlot, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Which state is setting up a flower processing center to convert the unsold flowers into various useful products? Karnataka. Karnataka State's Horticulture Department is setting up a flower processing center in collaboration with the International Flowers Association Bangalore to convert the unsold flower into various useful products. Karnataka in news. Karnataka to set up a flower processing center to add value to its flower. Karnataka to host the second Khelo India University Games KIUG 2020. Vijayanagar officially declared as the 31st district of Karnataka. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the museum dedicated to General K.S. Thyama in Karnataka. Karnataka CM Yedurappa launches the Avalokana software. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Executive branch Governor Vajubhai Bala and Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa, and flower is lotus. State flower is lotus. Which stadium in India has renamed the Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium? Motera Stadium. President Ramnath Kovind, world's largest cricket stadium at Motera in Ahmedabad, renamed as Narendra Modi Stadium. The Sardar Patel Stadium, popularly known as the Motera Stadium, also has been renamed as the Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was former president of the Gujarat Cricket Association. President Kovind has also laid the foundation stone of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sport Enclave at a newly built cricket stadium. The stadium is spread across 63 acres of land and has three entry points. It has a seating capacity 132,000 people. Before this, the Melbourne Cricket Stadium in Australia was the largest cricket stadium by capacity, with accommodation capacity is 90,000 people. Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium was opened to public on 24 February 2021 to host day-night ping ball test match between India and England. The third test match between the two countries. Name the Indiana activist who has been named among the 12 winners with the newly set up International Anti-Corruption Campaign Award. Anjali Bhardwaj. Anjali Bhardwaj, an Indian social activist, has been named among the 12 courageous individuals for the newly instituted International Anti-Corruption Campaigns Award by the US President Joe Biden administration. Static GK based current affair. Where is the Ramkrishnan beach located? Andhra Pradesh. Ujjain lies along the bank of Sipra river. The city is in which state? Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Venezuela? Caracas. Who is the current chief minister of Gujarat? Vijay Rupani, popularly Vijay Rupani. Who is the World's Laughter Day? When is the World Laughter Day celebrated? First Sunday of May. In which states is the Patadgal dance festival located? Karnataka. When is the World Health Day observed? 7th April. What is the capital and currency of Jamaica? Amman and Liu. Amman is the capital and Liu is the currency of Jamaica. In which state is the Half-Long Lake situated? Assam. Agati Airport is located in which part of India? Lakshadweep. Thank you.